Hi, Mommy. This is our first day in Alabama. It's Thursday. We just woke up not that long ago. And up until a few minutes ago, Lyric was being entertained by Grandpa's hat. Oh, never mind. She wants it.
No, she wants a camera.
Grandpa just got a new camera. And she really wants it.
No, she wants a
Say,
snack.
Mama, say hi to Daddy. Say hi, Daddy. Aww.
She's sleeping.
Oh,
What's her snack now?
no. No foods.
Yes.
No foods. Hi. Hi, Mama. Okay, say bye. Say bye. Adios.